Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviews Heaven. Today, we're ranking the top 5 best silicone baking mats on the market. If you're looking for a reusable, non-stick alternative to parchment paper that makes baking and cleanup easier, you're in the right place. We'll be covering options from top brands that cater to every baker's needs, from cookie lovers to macaron enthusiasts. These mats promise durability, quality, and easy maintenance, with some even featuring premium materials like German Wacker silicone. Whether you're a pro or a home baker, we've got the perfect mat for you. Let's dive in and find the ideal silicone baking mat for your kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Silpat Perfect Cookie Baking Mat. At first, we're diving into a baking essential, the Silpat Original Perfect Cookie Non-Stick Silicone Baking Mat. If you're tired of cookies sticking to pans or using parchment paper constantly, then this mat might be your new best friend in the kitchen. Silpat's Perfect Cookie Mat takes the guesswork out of baking cookies. It has 13 evenly spaced circles, so each cookie turns out uniform and perfectly sized. The inner circle helps you place your dough, while the outer circle guides the final size. Made from fiberglass mesh and food-grade silicone, this mat guarantees even heat distribution, helping each cookie bake evenly every time. Plus, it's temperature safe from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can use it in the oven, microwave, or even the freezer. One major perk of the Silpat mat? No need for extra grease, butter, or sprays. Cookies simply slide off without any mess. It's especially handy for sticky doughs, caramel, or taffy. Just rinse with hot, soapy water after baking, and you're good to go. So, if you're looking to up your baking game, the Silpat Perfect Cookie Mat might be just what you need. Number 2. Kitzini Silicone Baking Mat. Now, we're looking at a product no baker should be without, the Kitzini Silicone Baking Mat set. If you're ready to say goodbye to endless rolls of parchment paper, then stay tuned to learn what these mats have to offer. Kitzini's silicone baking mats come in a set of 2, each made with BPA-free, professional-grade silicone reinforced with fiberglass. These mats are tough and heat-resistant, able to handle temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. At 0.75 millimeters thick, they're twice as durable as other brands, giving them a longer lifespan and making them perfect for all kinds of baking. Each mat is non-stick, so there's no need for oils or sprays. Cookies, bagels, or pastries slide right off. Cleaning is a breeze. Just use soap and water. Designed for reuse, each mat can last through up to 3,000 bakes, which makes it eco-friendly and cost-effective. So if you're after pro-level baking without the waste, the Kitzini silicone baking mats could be your next kitchen staple. Number 3. OXO Good Grip Silicone Baking Mat. At number 3, we're diving into the OXO Good Grip Silicone Baking Mat. Whether you're baking cookies or roasting veggies, this mat promises to cut down on waste and cleanup. The OXO Good Grip Silicone Baking Mat is made of durable food-safe silicone reinforced with fiberglass. Sized at 11.5 by 16.5 inches, it fits perfectly on a half-sheet pan, making it versatile for baking or roasting. This mat is non-stick, so you won't need extra oils or parchment paper, and it's oven and dishwasher safe, too, perfect for a busy kitchen. One of the standout features is its non-stick surface, which resists grease and residue for easy transfers. This mat provides a stable base, whether you're kneading dough or roasting chicken. Plus, when it comes to cleanup, just pop it in the dishwasher, or wipe it down for a quick refresh. So if you're looking for a reliable, eco-friendly baking solution, the OXO Good Grip Silicone Baking Mat is a top choice. Number 4. Amazon Basics Silicone Baking Mat. At number 4, we're taking a closer look at a budget-friendly kitchen essential, the Amazon Basics Silicone Baking Mat, now available in a pack of 2 in beige and gray. If you're aiming to make baking more eco-friendly and reduce kitchen waste, these mats might be just what you need. These Amazon Basics mats are made of food-safe, non-stick silicone that ensures food slides right off without the need for parchment paper or oils. Measuring 16.5 by 11.6 inches, they're perfect for standard half-sheet pans. Plus, they're heat-safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes them great for baking cookies, roasting vegetables, or even drying tomatoes. Using these mats can save time and money. They're easy to clean. Just wash with soap and water, and are designed to be reused for thousands of bakes. With a flexible, non-stick surface, they keep food from sticking, preventing your pans from messy, baked-on residue, and reducing the need for disposable foil or parchment. So if you're ready to make baking more sustainable without breaking the bank, the Amazon Basics Silicone Baking Mats might be the perfect solution. Number 5. MMmat Silicone Baking Mat. Lastly, we're reviewing a versatile and eco-friendly kitchen staple, the silicone baking mat made from high-quality German silicone. If you're looking for a reusable, non-stick baking solution, this set might just be the one for you. This baking mat set includes 2 half-sheet mats and 1 macaron sheet, perfect for everything from cookies to bread and even candy. Made with BPA-free, food-safe German Wacker silicone, these mats are designed with your health and sustainability in mind. The thick 0.75 mm design ensures durability and fits half-sheet pans like a glove. These mats are non-stick, so no need for extra oils, cooking sprays, or parchment paper. They're oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and cleanup is a breeze. Just wipe them down or toss them in the dishwasher. They're perfect not only for baking but also for rolling dough or using as a stable countertop surface. So if you're aiming for healthier, hassle-free baking, these silicone baking mats are a great choice. Thanks for watching our top 5 best silicone baking mats review on Reviews Heaven. Hopefully, you found the perfect mat to elevate your baking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mat you're excited to try. Happy baking!